Hello everyone, welcome back to the next video. In this video I will show you how to display a 3D cube in Flutter for iOS. So I have done a similar video for Android as well, so this will be specifically for iOS. So firstly I'll show you the output. So here you can see I am displaying a 3D cube. So yeah, that's what this output is all about. Let's see how to do this. So here inside main.dart, firstly I have refactored this home page widget to be a stateless widget. Here I am taking the width and height, and then I have just taken a size box. I have passed the width and height to our size box so that this occupies the entire width. And here I have created a custom widget called my view. So here you can see I have created a file for that. So this my view is an identifier. Same identifier you will have to use it have to be use it on native iOS side as well. So here I have just taken a stateful widget, and if platform is iOS, then only we are displaying a UI kit view. For everything else we are just displaying one placeholder. Okay, now you will have to open the XE workspace of iOS inside Xcode. Firstly make sure you update the iOS target to at least 12 over here as well as over here. Then inside app delegate we have written some boilerplate code. So the important thing is this identifier should be the same which we are using it on the Flutter side, and here we are referencing a file called my view native view factory. So for that I have created one Swift file. So this again is a boilerplate code which you have to write every time you want to embed a native iOS view inside your Flutter project. So that's what I have done over here. Then it references another Swift file called my view native view. So for that I have created another Swift file. So basically to display 3D objects we make use of scene kit, and here I have created one UI view. Here we are creating our scene view. Here we are initializing our parent UI view, calling this particular method which I have defined over here, and here we are overriding this method to return our parent view. Here we are just initializing our scene view to occupy entire width, and how background color I have given it as black. Change it to whatever you feel like, and these are like mostly default properties which I have assigned. Then we are adding our scene view to our parent view, creating our scene view. Then I have just created this camera node, and this is our cube geometry. So this will help us to display our 3D cube. And then I have created some ambient light as well which I have added it to our scene. Then the entire scene has been assigned to scene view scene. So yeah, that's it. That's how you can display it. Thank you for watching. Bye.